Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see jam session. As I told in the early videos, the jam session might be of 1 minute or it can be more than 1 minute. Let's see. The jam session on my country India. India is a great Asian country where we have different languages, caste, creed, culture and religions. Due to this, India is famous for unity and diversity. It extends from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. It is also called as a peninsular island as it is surrounded by water three sides. In the east it has Bay of Bengal, in the west we have Arabian Sea, in the south we have Indian Ocean. It has two islands, Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. India got independence on 15 August 1947. After 190 years British rule, it is a land of great patriots who fought for our motherland and gave us freedom. After that, India is divided into two parts, India and Pakistan. India shares its borders with China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. New Delhi is the capital of India and Mumbai is known as the business capital of India. India has many minerals and raw materials. In spite of that, 50% of Indian population depends upon agriculture for their livelihood. India has different climate in different regions. We have mountains, deserts, snow plains, rivers and heavy forest. There are many great personalities from India like Aryabhatta, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Rani Lakshmibai, Abdul Kalam and many more. India has a joint history of gods and saints. We have great epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita with living proofs. We have different traditions, customs, culture and dance forms. India is considered as one of the world teacher who gave Ayurveda, Yoga Vidya, astrology, nature science to the world in the form of Vedas. It is also known as Bharat and Aryabhat. Indian flag has tricolor, where uppermost saffron color indicates purity, middle white color indicates peace, which also has a Ashok Chakra in it, which is also called as Dharma Chakra or Wheel of Unity. The 24 spokes of Chakra indicates the 24 qualities of a human. The lower green color indicates fertility. The national animal of India is tiger, national bird peacock, national fruit mango, national flower lotus, national sport hockey, national song Vande Mataram and national anthem Jana Gana Mana. India is now leading in space, sports, army, business and has a great economy. I love my country and I am proud of Indian. Hope this video is very helpful for you. Thank you for watching.